Watchdogs!
I'm leaving.
Why? That's just awful!
Albion have established an operational base in the Royal Court of Justice.
Bruv, this is bollocks. With Albion in control of the courts, there's like no way for anyone to have a fair trial anymore.
Exactly. But it likely means there's information here about how Albion are targeting dissenters, the who and the why. We need that data if we're going to disrupt their operation.
That's absolutely disgusting. Come.
Hang on. I'm ordering you to stand down!
Hey, Bags, talk to me.
A list of what Albion consider high-value targets that are threats to the peaceful running of London. See here, a journalist, and this one runs a community shelter. Good God, bar your doors.
What the shit?
All suspected of sowing rebellion or exhibiting tendencies towards... Albion is systematically arresting people even before they rise up. Joke's on them. This list can actually help us find like-minded allies willing to help us. Well done. Now, let's disrupt some of Albion's propaganda and give some hope to the people.
Spreading their laws, people in poverty dying on floor. They're in your houses, in your cars, in your your devices, in your palm, in your mind, in your spirit. Anybody else here hitting the limit? Man's not happy, man's not flexing. Man, this city's got fucking depressing. I see checkpoints, I see fuzz, I see the rascals holding us, and that's not right. What are we working for? What are we talking for? Meant to be circling more, hands up ready to throw. Breaking trees, locking doors, breaking their spirit, breaking their mind, breaking their signals, breaking their sounds. Let the anarchy reign. Now is the time. Time to be livid. Time to be vexed. Don't pull your punches and don't hold your breath. If you don't stand up, you might be next. It's time to choose glory or death.
Are you good? You're okay. You're okay. I've got you.
Attention. All activity in association with extremist groups is a punishable offence. Individuals
I get fucked by something. You're fucking dead.
to London security.
Get the fuck away. Nothing like a little piece of filth. Aren't you? Please, stop. No more. What is...
Attention. Basic science security.
Right, you're right. Please stop.
Suicide optic device will be vulnerable and is a punishable offence.
Do not try.
Remember to be vigilant when going about your daily activities. Any suspicious activity or individual.
I'm allowing this Albion shit. They're all over the walls and the screens. They the boss, and they want us to know it.
There's going to be that much less once you're done here. Let's give Camden a break from these eyesores.
Alright, cool, I'm all over it.
Am I going to find anything in here?
I'm not afraid of you.
Till I say otherwise, I warn you. Do you get me?
I'm sorry. Oh, listen.
And a back, take it off Israel, there's a back. Oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh Jesus. A couple of snaky friends, just Adam and Eve. And there's no debate on who's better. I'll turn them into
If you hijacked that scissor lift, you could use it to access the rooftop.
Is a punishable offence. It compromises your security and the security. If you suspect you've been a victim of hacking by an unknown party, report the incident to the authorities immediately. Don't be the weak link in the chain. A digital security breach affects everyone.
Yes, nicely done. That'll get people's attention. Let them know someone is standing up to Albion. Light the spark that they can stand up to.
If nothing else, it'll relieve their eye strain.
Now what?
We're already seeing results from what you've done. That list we found named a journalist in Camden who's been investigating Albion. We reached out, and he's got information that can help us. I think you should meet with him.
Send me the deeds right now. You look hard. You thinking of taking back London?
Oh, I get it. You're DedSec. I've got some info for you.
I'm listening.
What's got more packages in a Parcel Fox warehouse? Me and my co-workers, because we all just got severance. 300 people all at once. Fired. Said we were being replaced.
Nah, that's messed up, man.
I'm doing all right, but the whole thing was just super shitty, you know? Cloak and Dagger. We were all video game developers. There's no way they could have replaced all of us that fast. Well, maybe, but probably not without doing something dodgy.
So you want DedSec to look into your replacement?
Exactly. If you help me out with this, I'll owe you one. A big one.
A tech corporation acting unethically? Sounds out of character, but let's investigate anyway.
Alright, man's gonna look into that shit.
You've got a pop belly like Rick Ross. Stiff gal, do the TikTok. Big mouth gal, where your lips gone? I ain't got time to be TikTok. I got a new wristwatch. Let's go toe to toe. Flip flops. I make the crowd jump like crisscross. Got a dark skin friend that looks like Rachel Doze. And I got a light skin friend that looks like Rachel Doze. Which one's which? Not sure. Them gal are clapped on call. Don't think you're buff cause you're wearing contour. Cause I'll wipe your brows off. I'll snap your wig and your nails off. I go blind, hands out. Like I'm at the nail shop. These girls are bluffing. They really ain't on nothing. You can't do dirt on me. You gonna go and get your cousin? What? Everything ain't rosy, I'm begging up. Up in the teeth for a set it off. Then I bounce like a belly flop. Got one eye on your man. Getting what? Yeah, baby. I'm getting what? Watch me like Netflix. Roll to the club. But you ain't got dough for your gas and electric. Let it. I can't believe it. I can't believe the cheek. Some man wake up and don't even brush their teeth. How could you do that? How could you even speak? How could you talk my name? You ain't even brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. 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 Squeeze beach boy. Five of the way. Brush your teeth.
When a startup advertised passive income to anyone willing to enlist their autonomous vehicle in their networked taxi service, many people jumped at the opportunity. The hidden catch? Their cars were being used to ferry drug shipments. Join us at GBB for the full story.
Oh, really?
You've arrived at our contact's former employer, and aside from some heavily armed security guards, it's basically a ghost town.
Interesting.
I don't think this replacement is on site. Dig around and see if you can figure out where they are.
You are making me do this.
They can't be far. Find them.
Eyes peeled.
You can do your corporate espionage from there.
data coming your way.
Copy that. I'll analyze the company records while you get to safety.
All units, proceed to alarm location. Let's find this one.
Eyes up. They could be anywhere.
Give up.
Hey, Bags, talk to me.
Well, I found our prospect's replacement. It's an AI. And a pretty shoddy one at that. Nowhere near as smart as me. It could maybe replace a few million humans at most.
Fucking fuck.
Oh, right. I suppose from your perspective, that's a lot. If you like, we can go destroy it before it puts anyone else out of work.
Flat tire detected.
All right, let's do this.
Please repair as
Send me the
soon as
deets right now.
possible.
Ending search.
I'm warning. This shotgun, bloody unfitting.
You know what to do. Search the area.
The job-killing AI's code blueprint has been packed up into a crate on site.
I'm ready to tear shit up.
You found it, now find some way to destroy it. AI successfully murdered. Now get to safety and I'll send our friends the good news. The demands of being a DedSec operative are all consuming, so taking app gigs is a good way to make some extra quid that works around your new schedule. Lots of people will pay well to have their sensitive packages handled with care, and some will even pay you for deliveries. Ha ha!
Cuz, you better sit down for this one. You were replaced by an AI, a machine. Sick, innit?
No way. Really?
Yeah, blood. Your entire field was close to being wiped out by an AI, but DedSec stopped it.
Cheers, mate.
Why don't you join DedSec? You know you wanna.
Yeah, alright. Fuck it.
Waking in the morning, just like every other day, and just like every boring blue song, I get swallowed by.
Notice an unattended package or see someone who does not belong, you must.
Aw, sick. Good to have you, blood. DedSec's gonna be unstoppable now.
I'm happy to be here. Now, let's get to it.
Fuck yes.
All right, now let's schedule your mandatory DedSec face tat. Just kidding. Welcome to the team.
Bang in. Hype to expose the bastards in charge, yeah?
Brilliant.
Auto drive now enabled. Auto drive now disabled.
Market dips, shares roller coasters, cryptocurrency. There are those who like to speculate to accumulate, and those who just want to make sure their money is safe. Lane Bank has been offering loans, savings and mortgages since we were founded in 1867. That's why we're sticking with the pound. Only legal citizens, only the pound, only you. Lane Bank, because we know you're banking on us.
Do you need some help? What's up?
You're the crew that's been sticking it to Albion? Can't believe someone else is. Thought I was alone, right? Not doing much, just putting the word out. But you? Taking action, mate.
What else can we do? I'm not going to sit and watch while this city burns. Albion's got to go, but they're not leaving without a good arse kicking. What's your intel then?
Almost got clipped finding this. All of Albion's operational data for the entire city. Convoy routes, surveillance targets, assets. It's all there. Thinking you can make good use of that.
That's the goddamn truth.
Here's a sample. Albion's closed King's Cross to the public, right? What people don't know is that they're using it as their logistics centre. Materials, troops, whatever. A lot of it runs through there. You want to give the people a huge boost? Hit that place. Put it out of commission, and you'll severely hamstring Albion's operations here in Camden. Hell, everywhere.
That's the plan then.
Selfish brat.
Resisting arrest will be met.
Hilarious.
Can I help you?
You idiot. Definitely not sticking around here.
Albion's operational plans are just what we needed to really get some traction. We'll have to take a close look at this. Now, how do we take King's Cross offline?
Albion's housed a massive hybrid-powered generator in there. Output must be immense. Getting to that generator ain't gonna be easy. They've locked it up tighter since I last saw it.
What do I do?
My news drones are still in here. They should be functional. You can use one of them. Probably have better luck piloting it too, yeah?
Well, causing a power surge in a hybrid-powered generator isn't like making a toasty. We're going to need detailed specifications.
We need to dig into this. Are you seeing this?
Cool, looks bloody complicated. Newsy's got a pretty functional camera. Would a picture do you, Bagley?
It would indeed. According to this, there's an override code that'll get us into the generator's system. That's it. Use the code on the generator and I can trigger a power surge.
It should be enough to take King's Cross offline. And the rail system too.
Here we go.
We got a gold mine of information out of St. Pancras. Albion convoys, informants, gear, you name it. Everything we need to ignite the people of London, like we did in Camden. Derail Albion's operations and give the people a reason to rise up, borough by borough. The more we do that, the more we'll get allies flocking to the cause. We'll show London that DedSec is here for them.
That was off the chain, mate. I knew DedSec weren't the bad guys Albion was saying. Now the rest of Camden will too. Thanks.
Thanks.
Now that you've shown the borough what DedSec is really all about, there are going to be folks wanting to join up. A lot of people have been looking for a way to fight back. In fact, there's one in particular I suspect will contact you very soon. I happen to know they're champing at the bit.
We welcome all types, mate. Gonna need everyone on board to unfuck London. Welcome to DedSec. Bigger, stronger, badder than ever.
Thanks. I'm ready to bring real justice where it's needed.
Fuck yeah.